Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will discuss July 2025 Visa Bulletin, forecasting priority dates and realistic predictions. The long wait for the next Visa Bulletin is nearly over, and July 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal month for many hopeful immigrants. Whether you're tracking family-based or employment-based categories, understanding the movement of priority dates can make all the difference. In this video, we break down realistic forecasts, analyze trends, and offer insight into what could happen next. Will your categories see forward movement, or are delays still ahead? If you are interested in this, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell on upcoming video. The July 2025 Visa Bulletin is right around the corner, and this time, it's more than just a shuffle of priority dates. It could be the turning point in your immigration journey before the government's fiscal year concludes in September. We've studied trends from April, May, and June bulletins, followed leading attorney commentary, and tracked USCIS movement patterns to bring you a category-by-category breakdown and real forecasts. Whether you're waiting under EB categories or stuck in a family-based backlog, July could make or break your progress. Why July matters more than you think. July marks the start of the final quarter of the U.S. government's fiscal year. That means agencies like the Department of State and USCIS face pressure to use up remaining visa numbers. Any leftover visas or spillovers will be distributed now, and depending on demand, we'll either see a final sprint or complete freeze until October's reset. And here's the kicker. If there's no movement in July, don't expect action until late October or even November. EB1, the premium lane, still frozen for India and China. Prediction: India, stuck at February 15th, 2022. China, no movement, remains at November 8th, 2022. Rest of world, current. What this means: for Indian and Chinese applicants, the EB1 line, despite being top priority, is jammed due to high demand. Unless you're cross-chargeable or row, don't expect relief soon. If you're row, file now. This is your golden window. If you're from India or China with an I-140 approved, hold tight but manage expectations. EB2, skilled but severely backlogged. Prediction: India stays at January 1st, 2013. China, modest move to January 1st, 2021. Row, moves from October 15th, 2023 to November 15th, 2023. What this means: India EB2 remains frozen in time, 12 plus years of wait, and no sign of acceleration. China EB2 may inch forward symbolically. Row applicants should file promptly while dates remain current. Pro tip: Indian applicants may consider EB3 downgrade, as that line currently moves slightly faster. EB3, minor hope in the workhorse category. Prediction: India, flat at April 15th, 2013. China, small bump to December 2020. Row, progresses to April 1st, 2023. What this means: India EB3 is slightly ahead of EB2, but still sluggish. China is showing faint monthly movement. Row applicants with approved job offers and I-140s should act now. Don't wait for October's chaos. EB4, still unavailable until FI 2026. Prediction: remains unavailable. What this means: special immigrants, including religious workers and juveniles, are in limbo. No final action means no green card, regardless of I-360 approval. Consult your attorney for realistic timelines. EB5, the investor lane. Prediction: India, no change May 1st, 2019. China, no change January 22nd, 2014. Row current. What this means: retrogression continues for India and China. For row investors, it's a strategic time to invest and file. Rural and regional center options move faster. Already filed? Check if your child's age is protected under the Child Status Protection Act. Family-based categories, mixed signals. F2A, spouses and children of green card holders. All countries current. Takeaway, no backlog. If your I-130 is approved, file immediately. Great moment for adjustment or consular processing. F2B, F3, adult children. India, China, row. Advanced by 1 to 1.5 months. Mexico, Philippines, minimal to no movement. Takeaway, slow but still breathing. If your PD is within a year of the bulletin, start gathering civil docs now. F4, siblings of U.S. citizens. India, moves to February 2007. Row, little change. Takeaway, movement is inching forward. Prepare for the long haul, but don't give up hope. Who should file right now? Row EB2/EB3 applicants with current PDs. EB5 investors from countries other than India/China. F2A family applicants no backlog. Cross-chargeable India/China EB applicants. Parents filing for kids approaching age-out lock and protection now. What to expect after July. August and September are traditionally holding months. If July sees action, it's to clear backlogs ahead of FY26. If not, brace for silence. Either way, July is the pivot and your window to act. Final thoughts. Immigration is part waiting game, part timing game. And July 2025 could be your last real opportunity before the fiscal door closes. Stay alert, stay informed, and most importantly, stay ready. As we edge closer to July 2025, staying informed is your strongest tool. Priority date movement is never guaranteed, but with the right guidance and accurate forecasting, you can plan your next immigration steps wisely. That is all today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then,